Croeso I hwb arbennig, ble byddwn ni'n gweld y broses o ddewis cystadleuwyr, competitors, ar gyfer Cariad iaith 2013. Roedd dros 200 o ddysgwyr eisiau bod yn rhan o'r gyfres eleni, ac roedd 34 wedi mynd trwodd i'r cyfweliadau interviews yn adeilad yr Atrium Caerdydd a Fenyw Cymru Llandudno o flaen Nia Parry, Ioan Tawfryn a chynhyrchydd y gyfres Nia Lan. Felly, dewch i ni gyfarfod â rhai o'r cystadleuwyr sy'n cystadlu competing am le. Y gyntaf I mewn oedd Sarah Hattle o Portsmouth. Mae hi'n gweithio i'r llynges frenhinol, the Royal Navy, ond mae hi'n symud I Gymru yn fuan.
My agor and me have bought a house in Wales, and we're going to be moving to Wales within the next couple of years. The children are going to go to school in Wales and speak Welsh, and I'm terrified of them speaking a language that I don't understand, and so that's why I want to learn.
So lle mae'r tŷ? Ble mae'r tŷ? Where is the house?
Near Dolgelli.
Oh, nice. Hey, coming up north in gweld ni. Oh, nice.
I'm learning in isolation via the internet, doing Dysgu, Hattle, say something in Welsh. So I don't have the opportunity to speak to other Welsh learners. So for me, the main motivation for applying is not the telly, just to get a week with other learners and actually get to talk to people. At the moment, doing siarad, Hattle, a plant, a gi. They don't answer back.
Well, Sarah, how did it go? Sut aeth I?
Ofnadwy.
Ofnadwy?
No, it wasn't. Iawn.
So what would it mean to you, beth fydd e'n olygu chi, if you were chosen, tasech chi'n cael eich dewis?
Oh, it would be brilliant. I think my learning would progress so much if I was to spend a whole week speaking nothing but siarad yn Cymraeg.
Well, look, let's keep our fingers crossed.
Diolch.
Nawr te, Amanda, ti sydd nesa, you're next. Sut wyt ti'n teimlo?
O, dwi'n teimlo cyffroes a nerfus iawn.
Mae Amanda wedi bod yn dysgu Cymraeg gyda Phrifysgol Morgannwg ers 2 flynedd ac erbyn hyn ar lefel canolradd.
Dwi'n byw ym Merthyr Tydfil gyda fy mab Ben. Mae'n 5 oed. Mae'n mynd i'r ysgol Gymraeg ym Merthyr. Achos dwi trio I siarad Cymraeg gyda fe yn y tŷ. Ond mae'n dweud wrtho I, ti'n wrong.
Your biggest critic,
Yeah.
Mab.
Ti ddim yn siarad Cymraeg, mam.
O Lundain mae Martin Hoyland yn dod yn wreiddiol, ond erbyn hyn yn byw yn Methysda ac yn dysgu Cymraeg ers 7 mlynedd.
Dwi'n dysgu mwy rwan efo genod fi. Lucy Moore, Betsy Lewis. Dwi'n just yn siarad efo genod. Bob dydd. Dwi'n dysgu lot. A mae genod yn correct me, so eitha dwi'n deud, right, come on genod, mynd yn y bath, amser bath. Rhaid ti golchi gwynab efo carag. A mae Lucy Moore wedi gweud, daddy, dim carag, mae'n cadach. Come on, daddy, cadach.
Pob yn peth yn gael ei.
Ar dy ffurflen gais ti, mae fyna, wedys ti bod ti wedi ennill pencampwriaeth chwarae llwyau yn gogledd Llundain.
Ti'n barod?
Ydyn.
It's all about the position. Right, mae'n iawn. So, just...
Da iawn.
Mae'r chwaraewr rygbi, Sai Polw, yn dod o Tonga a mae o ar lefel sylfaen. Mae teulu dy wraig di yn siarad Cymraeg yn dydyn nhw?
Ydyn. Maen nhw'n siarad Cymraeg I iaith ganta. That's why I'd like to improve my Welsh. Achos maen nhw'n siarad Cymraeg I fi bob amser, bob dydd.
Wyt ti'n siarad Cymraeg gyda unrhyw un arall? Unrhyw ffrindiau Cymraeg?
Mae boys yn rygbi, achos maen nhw'n gwybod dwi'n dysgu Gymraeg. Maen nhw'n dechrau a siarad Cymraeg i fi.
Gyda pwy ti'n chwarae?
I Glenebwy.
Chi'n neud yn iawn? Dwi'n all right?
Iawn, iawn.
Beth wyt ti'n chwarae?
Yn y canol.
Yn y canol.
Yn y canol.
Cyn cael y cyfweliadau unigol, roedd Ioan a Nia yn rhoi gwersi iddyn nhw mewn grwpiau.
O, dyma ni, sef 6A. O, neis.
Dyma ni. Sef 6B.
Smai?
Smai. Mi wnaethon ni benderfynu cynnal gweithdi fel rhan o'r broses yma, achos o'n i eisiau gosod y pobl yn rhyngweithio gyda'i gilydd. Achos dych chi ddim yn gallu gweld sut bydd rhywun mewn dosbarth, ond i bai bod chi wir yn ei gweld nhw mewn dosbarth ydy'r gwir. A'r hyn wnaethon ni oedd wneud y math o weithgareddau yn y sesiynau heddi, fel byddwn ni'n gwneud ar y cwrs go iawn.
Yr artist arbrofol byd enwog. I just still don't know my script. Achos bod y dull chydig bach yn wahanol i'r arfer, ddim yn ddull traddodiadol, mae o hefyd yn gyfle iddyn nhw weld os ydy'r dull yn addas iddyn nhw, felly mae o fel rhyw get-out clause iddyn nhw cyn cyrraedd fel. Dweud y gwir, di hwnna ddim yn rhywbeth, dwi ddim yn gyfforddus yn canu, yn actio, yn gwneud hyn. Felly mae'n gyfle iddyn nhw ffeindio allan beth o'n i'n mynd i fod yn wneud hefyd. Right. Dyma ni!
Sef 6A.
Sef!
6B. Mai.
Esgusodwch. Os gwelwch... O, sori. Bedych? Os gwelwch.
Mae siarad iaith, it's a physical activity, speaking a language. Dych chi'n defnyddio eich corff. You have feet, traed, so you've got to use them. So dyn ni'n mynd i gerdded o gwmpas, a dych chi'n mynd i fod... Ddim yn siarad i lawr fel hyn, Patrick Fanta. Na, dych chi'n mynd i gael o allan, ac beth ydyn ni eisiau, y llais i ddod allan.
Dyma ni, Seth 6A.
Am wythnos. Beth amdano chi?
Mae'n rhaid i mi ddod nôl i befformio mewn circus yn Honi Pandi.
Mae nghariad yn hyfforddi'r llawod.
1, 2, 3. Mae hi'n braf yn mai o'r camedden nhw. Mae hi'n braf yn Llandudno medden nhw. Mae hi'n dwy yn ffraig, medden nhw. Ie! Arferthog, da iawn. Ag eisteddwch.
Wel, mwyn i'r gyfres fod yn llwyddiant, roedd rhaid cael pob math o bobl wahanol i gystadlu. Wenta un o'r cymeriadau gwahanol oedd Ryan Quick neu Taffman i'w ffrindiau.
Ryan Quick oedd fi. O'n byw yn Felindra a Mor Talbot. O'n byw gyda fy mabi o'r enw Taran a nghariad i o'r enw Tracy. I wanted to learn Welsh for a long time, but I was in the RAF when I left school and I'd been away a lot, so I didn't get a chance to do anything. And distance learning didn't really suit me. So I waited till I came home and then I enrolled on a course with the council up in Carmarthen, and I started doing Say Something in Welsh. I want to learn Welsh because I want my son to grow up speaking Welsh and have all the stuff that I didn't have, and I don't want him to be in the same situation as me 20 years down the line, wanted to learn Welsh and not having the support and stuff. So I want to learn Welsh so that when he goes to Welsh school I can be there for him and do it. Taffman started as a Welsh jersey and then grew from there. I started having little parties when I was in the RAF, and I'd find all the Welsh people off the base, bring them all to my room, and I'd have flags everywhere, and we'd watch different rugby games all day, and we'd have Welsh songs on, and we'd sing Max Boys and all that sort of stuff. And then when I left there, I brought it with me. It doesn't have quite the same impact when you're wearing a Welsh flag and everything in Wales as it does when you're up in England somewhere.
Oh na, pwy yw hwnna? Ai y deryn yw e? Ai y wyren yw e? Oh na, Taffman yw e?
Actually, Taffman doesn't come out to play very much anymore because since I decided I want to learn Welsh. I thought it's only right, if you're going to be a Welsh superhero, he's got to speak Welsh. If I had the chance to get onto Cariad iaith, I would definitely want to take away confidence in speaking Welsh. But I'd like to get to a level where I'm confident enough to go into a conversation with a Welsh speaker and not have to worry and just have like we're having a conversation now, be like that, but in Welsh.
Sut o ti'n teimlo yn y dosbarth? How did you feel in the dosbarth yna this morning? Did you feel comfortable? Did you think, okay, this could be for me?
I felt, at the beginning, I felt a little bit like, self-conscious.
Yeah.
But then you just, once you start, you're doing it then.
Yeah.
And I prefer that to sit in a classroom listening to a teacher. Yeah. You're up and you're doing stuff and it's going in and you're not realising it.
Yeah.
I remember watching last year's Cariad iaith and waiting for my tipping point, but I couldn't tell if he was coming or not. Like, tell me.
Oh, lovely.
Pob lwc i ti, Ryan. Wel, dim ond dechrau'r daith ydy hyn. Dewch nôl ato ni ar ôl yr egwyl i gwrdd â mwy o gystadleuwyr.